metal forming, sigma y less than or equal to sigma less than or equal to sigma u. Cold working temperature less than 0.3 melting point. Deformation at less than recrystallization temperature. Strength and hardness increases, ductility and malleability decreases, friction is less. Mu is equal to 0.1 to 0.2. Better dimensional accuracy, good surface finish. Force and energy required is high. Hot working temperature greater than 0.3 melting point. Deformation at more than recrystallization temperature. Malleability and ductility increases. Strength and hardness decreases. Friction is high. Mu is equal to 0.6 to 0.7. Dimensional accuracy and surface finish is poor. Force and energy required is less. Recrystallization temperature, unique temperature which is at which new crystals are generated. Recrystallization temperature is equal to 1 by 3 to half of melting point. Ductile material, for mild steel it will be like this. This is lower yield point, this is upper yield point. Sigma y, proportionality limit, elastic limit, sigma u, sigma f. From sigma y to sigma u, plastic deformation takes place. At some point, if it is suddenly released, then it will be like this. This is plastic deformation, this is elastic. If by maintaining load for sufficient time, then it will go down like this. Up to for brittle material, it will be like this. Sigma y, this is plastic deformation zone. Sigma y at 0.2% epsilon is equal to 0.002. Up to proportionality limit, sigma directly proportional to epsilon, sigma is equal to a epsilon. Engineering stress, sigma e is equal to f by ao. Engineering strain, epsilon e is equal to delta l by lo. True stress, sigma t is equal to f by a instantaneous. True strain, epsilon t is equal to integral LF to Li delta L by L. Sigma t is equal to sigma e into 1 plus epsilon e. Epsilon t is equal to ln of 1 plus epsilon e is equal to ln of Lf by Li is equal to 2 ln di by df. Strain hardening equation, sigma 2 is equal to k epsilon 2 whole power n. K is strain hardening constant 0 less than n less than 1. N is strain hardening exponent. Flow stress required after yield stress to keep material in deformed state, sigma y less than yf less than sigma u. Yf bar is equal to average flow stress is equal to integral 0 to epsilon sigma d epsilon by epsilon is equal to k epsilon power n by n plus 1. At instability point, then necking, epsilon is equal to n. Epsilon is equal to n. Sigma y tension is equal to sigma y compression for ductile material. Forging, hydrostatic compression, soft gel like structure, billet. Then flow stress, at flow stress it will convert 100% plastic deformation. Ductility decreases with work hardening. Ductility decreases with work hardening. Okay, these are names of graphs. At 1 is equal to 1 sigma epsilon, it will be like this. Perfectly elastic. If n is equal to 0, that is initially it is rigid, no epsilon, so rigid. Then a constant sigma, so perfectly plastic. Epsilon keeps on increasing for constant sigma, perfectly plastic. Initially linear, then straight line, then elastic and perfectly plastic. Rigid, this is rigid and linear strain hardening. It increases like this. So linear strain hardening. This is elastic and linear strain hardening. Strain rate epsilon dot is equal to d epsilon by dt. Rolling, these are rolls. This is backward or lagging zone. This is forward or leading zone. In between, neutral alpha neutral plane will be there. VO V1 velocities, HO H1 thickness, delta H by 2 is this is delta H by 2. Alpha bite angle or deformation angle. Compression and shear takes place. Neutral zone, V dot is equal to V. VO is less than V less than V1. dA is equal to dB is equal to d, Na is equal to Nb is equal to n, V is equal to pi dn by 60, V greater than Vo. Delta volume is equal to 0, By is equal to B1 is equal to B, width of strip constant. Mu is equal to tan beta, beta is equal to friction angle. Percentage backward slip at entry is equal to V minus Vo by V into 100. Slip at neutral point is equal to 0. Percentage maximum forward slip at exit is equal to V1 minus V by V into 100. Here V means velocity of roller. At neutral point it will be V only. Backward slip, forward slip at entry it will be here, decrease, and then forward slip it will be here. Pressure or stress at entry it will be here, neutral point it will be maximum, then decreases till here. Cos alpha is equal to r minus delta h by r is equal to 1 minus delta h by d is equal to 1 minus delta h by 2r. Delta h is equal to d into 1 minus cos alpha. L is equal to length of deformation zone. L is equal to root r delta h. Tan alpha is equal to root of delta h by r. Beta greater than or equal to alpha. Alpha max is equal to beta. Delta h max is equal to mu square r. Mu square r. To increase friction, fine grooves on circumferential surface of cylindrical roller, ragging process. Chamfering or convexing of rollers to reduce roll separating force. Hot rolling, applying front and back tension, reducing diameter of rollers, reducing friction, but beta greater than or equal to alpha. F average is equal to sigma average or P average into projected area is equal to sigma average into B into L. If sigma y is given, F average is equal to 2 by root 3 into sigma y into 1 plus mu L by 4 H average into BL. Plane strain compression test, F average is equal to y prime into 1 plus mu L by 4 H average into BL. Plane strain flow stress y prime is equal to sigma 2 sigma y by root 3 given. Power is equal to F into V. Power is equal to 2 into T omega 2 because there are two rollers. Omega is equal to 2 pi n by 60. T is equal to F average into A. A is equal to lambda L. Lambda is equal to 0.4 for cold rolling is equal to 0.5 for hot rolling. Defects spread, alligatory waviness or wavy edges, bulging, wide drawing, tensile loading, tension, shear and compression. AO is equal to pi by 4 DO square, A1 is equal to pi by 4 D1 square. Percentage reduction in cross section is equal to AO minus A1 by AO into 100. K is equal to coefficient of elongation is equal to draft is equal to AO by A1. Alpha, it will be 2 alpha is equal to full diangle, alpha is equal to half diangle. Drawing stress sigma 2 is equal to sigma y into 1 plus beta by beta into 1 minus A1 by AO whole power beta. K is equal to AO by A1, beta is equal to mu cot alpha. It does not force alpha 6 to 10 degrees, it will be like this. Diangle, force with diangle, half diangle, it will be like maximum reduction sigma 2 is equal to sigma y. This does not consider back stress. Sigma t is equal to total drawing stress is greater than sigma 2. Sigma t is equal to sigma y plus sigma 2 minus sigma y into e power minus 2 mu L by R1. Ideal work done mu is equal to 0. Sigma 2 is equal to sigma y ln of AO by A1. Hot working, ideal stress is equal to YF bar ln of AO by A1. Cold working, if ideal deformation K epsilon power n is equal to K epsilon power n by n plus 1 ln of AO by A1. Ln of AO by A1. AO by A1 is equal to e power n plus 1. Maximum percentage reduction is equal to 1 minus e power minus n plus 1. Drawing load is equal to sigma 2 into A1. Total drawing load is equal to sigma t into A1. Ideal drawing load is equal to yf bar into a1 into ln of ao by a1 is equal to sigma y into a1 into ln of ao by a1. Power is equal to drawing load into drawing velocity. Extrusion compression force applied AO VO is equal to A1 V1, draft K is equal to AO by A1. Here also draft is equal to AO by A1. V1 greater than VO. Sigma is equal to sigma y. Here also extrusion force diangle it will decrease like this. Here due to high friction, extrusion force is more. Here high redundant work. Up here optimum. Sigma naught is equal to sigma y into 1 plus beta by beta into 1 minus a1 by ao whole power beta. Beta is equal to mu cot alpha. External load is equal to sigma naught into a naught backward or hydrostatic is equal to sigma naught plus pf into ao for forward. Ideal mu is equal to 0, external load is equal to sigma y AO ln of AO by A1. External load is equal to K AO ln of AO by A1, K is equal to extrusion constant. Defects BFC, bamboo defect, surface cracks, F fish tail, pinholes or surface porous, surface defects, C center burst. Forging volume before is equal to volume after pi by 4 d square h do square h4 is equal to pi by 4 df square hf. If mu is not given and ideal not mentioned, then fi is equal to sigma y into AO. FF is equal to sigma y into AF. F average is equal to Fi by FF by 2. F max is equal to F average by eta. Mu is equal to F max is equal to sigma y into AF into 1 plus 2 mu RF by 3 HF. Mu is equal to 0. Ideal case F max is equal to sigma y into AF. Drop hammer forging 2 mg capital H is equal to F average into HO minus HF. HO minus HF. Mechanism sticking at center, sliding at outer surface. Gutter, this is external gutter, this is flash after trimmed. Fullering drawing, this is fullering, this is our drawing. Upsetting, edging, collecting material locally, flattering, flat shape, chamfering, removing sharp edges, blocking or saving nearness to final shape. Sheet metal operation, punching or piercing. Radial clearance is given. P for die size. Die size is equal to punch size plus 2c. Punch size is equal to capital A. Die size is equal to capital A plus 2c. Here this is useful. This is blank or slug wastage. Blanking punch size is equal to die size minus 2c. Punch size is equal to size of hole. Die size is equal to D capital D, punch size is equal to capital D minus 2c. Hole, this is wastage, sheet wastage. This blank or slug is useful. K is equal to percentage penetration required for complete shearing. Clearance C optimum is equal to 0.0032 T rho tau u. Here T is in mm, tau u is in megapascal. F max is equal to tau u into A shear. As is equal to pi dt. Work done is equal to E is equal to F max into KT. Compression stress in punch material, sigma compression is equal to F max by AC is equal to tau u into pi dt by pi by 4 d square is equal to 4 to tau u t by d. 4 tau u t by d means sigma compression punch greater than sigma crushing punch fails. Dmin is minimum diameter that can be punched. Punching shear on punch, blanking shear on die. Work done without shear is equal to work done with shear. F max into KT is equal to F into KT plus S. When answer don't match, F is equal to F max into KT by S and S greater than KT. Percentage utilization is equal to area utilized by total area. Percentage scrap is equal to 100 minus percentage utilization. Deep drawing, cup drawing, pi by 4 capital D square is equal to pi by 4 small d square plus pi small d h. Capital D is equal to root of d square plus 4dh if d by r greater than or equal to 20. Capital D is equal to root of d square plus 4dh minus r by 2 if 15 less than or equal to d by r less than or equal to 20. Small d by r. Capital D is equal to root of d square plus 4dh minus r if 10 less than or equal to d by r less than or equal to 15. Limiting drawing ratio LDR is equal to capital D by small d is equal to diameter before draw by diameter after draw. Drawing reduction ratio DRR is equal to capital D minus small d by capital D into 100 in percentage. Force drawing P is equal to pi small d t into sigma y into capital A by small d minus C. And C is equal to 0, neglecting friction. P is equal to pi capital D t into sigma y. Pi capital D t into sigma y. Bending developed length LO is equal to A plus B plus capital B. Here capital B is bending allowance, capital B is equal to Rn into theta radians, Rn is equal to Ri plus Kt. K is equal to stretch factor is equal to 1 by 3, 0.33 for R less than 2t is equal to half, 0.5 for R greater than 2t. Bending force maximum is equal to K prime sigma U into LT square by W. K prime is bend factor or die factor. Sigma U into LT square by W. L is length, T is thickness. K V bending, K is equal to 1.33, K is equal to 1.33 for W is equal to 80. U bending, K is equal to 2.6. V bending, K is equal to 1.2. V bending, K is equal to 1.2. U bending, K is equal to 2.4. W is equal to 16t. Edge bending, K is equal to 0.33. Spring back directly proportional to sigma y by E, directly proportional to R by T. Perforation, this is perforation, nibbling with small holes, cut like this, notch at the edge, some cut, lancing incomplete, just we will not remove material, slitting, some in the middle is slitting, trimming entire circumference. Advanced machining methods, NC numerically controlled machine parts, CPU drive unit, FBD manual control, when each and every axis movements controlled by numbers or numericals, lead is equal to number of starts into pitch. ALU or compiler convert high level information into low level language, that is binary system. Type of motors: induction motor, feed rate constant is equal to rpm into lead, not used in NC machine. Stepper motor used in NC machine, number of steps is equal per revolution is equal to 360 by x degrees. Accuracy is less. Servo motor used in CNC, accuracy is high, 1 pulse, basic length unit VLU, x pulse 1 rotation, lead distance. Machining accuracy inversely proportional to BLU. If gear used then BLU2 is equal to BLU initial by gear ratio between motor and lead screw. Pitch reduced length. Feed rate is equal to frequency into BLU. CNC computer numerically controlled mini computer own memory point to point PTP control system path not important. Example drilling, boring, spot welding, punching and blanking. Continuous path motion control, linear distance between two consecutive points in a contour interpolation. G general purpose or preparatory codes to control movement of tool. M machine or miscellaneous codes. G00 rapid transfers. G01 linear interpolation. G02 circular interpolation clockwise. G03 circular interpolation counterclockwise. G70 English programming inch. G71 metric programming. G90 absolute mode. G91 incremental mode. G40 cancellation of tool radius compensation. G41 tool radius compensation left. G42 tool radius compensation right. G04 dwell or delay. G05 hold. G17 xy plane. G18 xz plane. G19 yz plane.